my name is Cecilia. I'm a teacher from Sunshine State Academy. Today we're gonna do a project about letter B. B is for B. Zzz. What we need for this project? We need white construction paper, black construction paper, and yellow. What else? Glue, of course, scissors, and markers. Okay? Good. The first step, we're gonna take a rectangle on yellow. Yes, we're gonna fold in two parts and we're gonna cut in this side like a circle. Yes, over here. Next, we're gonna fold again and we're gonna cut like this. Okay, when we open, we're gonna have the letter B already. Okay, good. If you don't have construction paper at home, you can paint, you can color, okay? Good. So we're gonna start with the letter B. The first step, we're gonna paste our letter B. We're gonna put some glue. I always said, don't put too much. We don't want to make a mess. Yes. Perfect. This is the letter B. We're gonna paste it here. Good. What is the second step? We're gonna take our black paper and we're gonna cut stripes like this. Yes, I cut already. I have my strips here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the glue first on lines. One. Good. So I'm gonna take that cut and we're gonna paste. That's not to be perfect. Okay. For this part we need cut. B is for bus. What else, guys? B is for blue. B is for banana. What is the sound for letter B? B, 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 b. Yes? Good. We need short over here. We're gonna cut this because it's so long for here. And here, letter B. We almost finished our letter B. Okay. You can put the strips in different way if you want. Okay. I'm gonna take out this so small. This is perfect. We already put the strips for our letter B. Now you're gonna cut two ovals in blue and next you're gonna make the point for the wings, right? So we're gonna put some glue for the wings. One, one win already, 2 wins on blue. We almost finished, guys. That's gonna be a beautiful B. Okay, B. Nice. Now I'm cut already for put this, the antennas on the top, and now we're gonna make the eyes. If you have at home wiggle eyes, perfect. If you don't have, no problem. You take white paper, cut two circles, and we're gonna paste some glue. Eyes already. Now we're gonna do this. Look. Letter B. If you like the video, give me a like. Please subscribe to Sunshine State Academy. Thank you, guys.